Last week I unlocked a new skill and laid microcement flooring in our annex using DIY product from Smartcret. First of all, I prepped and cleared the space, made sure the floor was dust free and taped around the edges for a clean finish. I then primed the floor and let it dry, ready to lay the first layer of 4. We chose colour D2 in a matte finish, which is a terracotta colour, and I absolutely love it. It looked like caramel when I was stirring it in the tub, and you have to make sure that you give it a good stir before you start to roll it onto the floor. There are 4 layers. You lay each one separately with a minimum of 6 hours drying time in between, and you roll it on using the special roller you get with the kit, and then you smooth it out with the float that comes in the pack as well. Once the flooring is dry, you sand it, and each layer comes with different grade sandpaper. Then you lay 2 layers of the Smart Liso product, which is really smooth, almost silky when it goes on. The final step is to varnish 3 layers of clear matte in my case, but you can also get a sheen finish. Rope in anyone who's willing to help to give it a fine sand in between each layer. And ta-da! Do you like the finished look? I am so happy with it. Tell me what you think.